All right, folks, my plan is just to drag some double hook rigs. I've got some of these precision cast rods from the folks at Catch the Fever. They're crappie fishing rods. Got some 2000 series spinning reels. This one has some braid on it. The other one's got some mono. And I'm just going with a little double hook rig here, a little high-low rig, some people call it. Sinker on the bottom, a couple of number 6 hooks. And I'm live baiting. Yes, sir. No shame in my game. We are going with minnows. I got to put some bait in the boat for the ice bowl that's coming up. And I need to catch fish. There's no better way to catch perch and crappie than with live bait. That is the easiest, most effective, surefire way to make it work. So we're gonna get these in the water. See if the lake likes us. Get another one over here. Maybe go to the bottom. We'll knock it in gear. And we're gonna slow troll down through here. Probably do, I don't know, half a mile an hour. We got a little bit of shelter here from the wind. So we're gonna see if we can stay in this little pocket's right on the channel edge. Boom, there we go. And we're gonna see if we can find a fish or two to bite. I'm just putting out 2 rods right now. We're gonna see how it goes. Spend a few minutes getting adjusted to what's going on with the boat and the wind and all that good stuff. Figuring out the drift. I've gotten mixed reports from people. I've heard they're deep in the river channel, and I've heard they're right up on the bank, and you need forward-facing sonar to see them and cast to them. I'm not a casting to them kind of guy, so this is more my style. This is typically where I get into fish in the wintertime. It's in a little bit deeper water, so we're gonna pull them down through here. You can feel the wind blowing. Hopefully you can hear me today. I've got a mic on here around my neck and a windscreen on it. Hopefully you'll be able to hear me. Hopefully we'll find some fish. This may be a deal of covering some water, checking out some places, finding the magic combination. I have not fished for crappie or perch in a while. And the catfish, while I've been out dragging for them, I haven't marked a lot of perch, so I haven't marked a lot of fish. I don't know where stuff's at. It's either on the bank or it's laid down on the bottom inactive. So we'll drag for a while, see what happens. I think I just had a fish pop this one. Finally. I get a little bit spoiled with my catfish trips lately. It's a small fish, whatever it is. That would be a crappie. Heck yeah. We'll take it. We ain't gonna beg. It'll work. It's a fish. Fills the void. Feeling a little bit of stuff on the bottom. Not marking a lot though, man. There's a few fish occasionally. Trying to get my money's worth out of this before I have to go find a place to either battle the wind or duck out of the wind. You run from the wind, you run from the fish. That's kind of one of the old fisherman sayings. But hopefully it's going to lay down a little bit. It looks like it's not white capping as bad as it was doing. Lost a bait on there. But I don't think I'm in the exact right place. I ain't totally feeling it yet. A little bit of this is gut, my gut. I hate saying this is it, so. Boom. Did I get him? Did I get him? Did I get him? Let's see if I got him. Feeling something shaking. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's a good one there. That's a good one. I'll take that one. No giant, but happy to have a fish. Yes, sir. Get that baby baited back up. Drop her back down. Yeah, this place is not exactly loaded up with fish. Again, I am not the best crappie fisherman in the world, but y'all get to come along for the good, the bad, and the ugly. Let's see if we can stick another one. And that looks like a fish. Yep, we got something. Something sitting here in about 25 feet of water. And that would be a putch. Bait of choice of fishermen worldwide. Bam, there goes one right there behind it too. There he is. Flip him into there. Bam, did I get him? Did I get him? I can't tell if I got him. I think I did. If it is, it's small. We ain't gonna argue though, we're happy to have them. Boom, another perch. That's two. I ain't marking a lot down there. Let's drop a couple of those back down. Get some bait on here. Boom. Minnows are always my preferred bait, unless I can get them biting. When the bite's easy, you can catch them on a lot of stuff, jigs, cut bait. But when you don't know what they're doing and what they're hitting, minnows are hard to beat. Get that one going back that way. Let that one sink. That one's only got one bait on it. Let that one go down, hit bottom. At least this way, drifting with the wind, while not ideal because I can't run a contour very effectively, I can at least slow the boat down, and that's a big help, real big help. That in there. We're starting to roll off into the river channel here, and we're just going to kind of see what the wind does. I'm set up in a place where it's blowing up in the river channel, so that's good. Drop on down, but it's challenging. It is challenging with the wind, but that's fishing, man. It ain't always nice and easy and calm and you get to troll where you want to troll. This is fishing. One thing I got going for me is I can go slow through here. So one thing about running a drift sock is it will slow the boat down. You don't get the ideal course you want to be on, but you can get the speed you need to be at. Now, with my luck, the wind will quit blowing here in another 10 minutes and we'll be resetting. But that's fishing. That is truly fishing right there. Got him off the other rod. I got a pop on this one, and that one just came off. Dang it. I felt him flick real hard and he was gone. See if it comes over on another rod. Lost that one. Dang it. Coming a long way without any bites. There's something on the sonar down there. I have not seen any significant marks of fish. Boom, got it. Let's see if he stays. Probably a perch. That's all right though. I'm just happy to get hit. Nope, that's a decent crappie right there, guys. That is a decent fish. That might have been the one I seen on the sonar just then. I'll get him down. That might have been what I seen on there. Nice fish. Oh, do we got him? Do we got him? Do we got him? Another crappie. Boom. I'm slowly picking at him, man. This is brutal fishing. I should say it's brutal catching. We're picking a few off here and there, but man, it ain't easy by any means. I'm baited back up and down there. You're either catching them dead in the river channel or that's it. At least for me, like I said, they could be a bunch of them living on the bank. I don't know. But I ain't catching them there. Dang. I'm gonna double check it. He didn't get the bait last time. See if he got it this time. Got one of them. Took one of the baits off of there. We'll sweeten it up, see if he comes back. Got another one over here suspended. I guess he doesn't want that thing up there swimming through. Get off of there. Come on, come on, come on. The wind comes and goes. It lays down, it picks up. Lays down, it picks up. Let's see if he sees it coming through the water column. Let it fall, fall, fall. This one go to the bottom. Boom, it's on bottom. That one's on bottom. Let's give this 2 cranks. 1, 2. Let's see if he hits it right when it's on the bottom now. Stuck it that time. Stuck it that time. Crappie. Small one, but a crappie. Yep, another one. He might not make the cut. Let's see. Eh, he's too little. Let's throw him back. Take off. Acting like there's a little fish popping at it. Acting like it. Made a little move. We about got blowed up on the bank at that last stop. Came over here at the mouth of a creek. We're gonna see if we can pull out of here. A little less wind. We'll catch more of it as we get out toward the mouth, but just trying to find something with a few more fish markings on the sonar. Ain't a lot. I swear my transducer was broke if I didn't know better. Come on, come on, come on. Boom, got him. That's probably a crappie the way that thing bit. Very reluctant. If it's perch, we're in trouble, because that was a very reluctant bite. There's a crappie. You ever seen a yellow crappie? This is one of them. Look how yellow that thing is. Look at that. It's yellow looking. All y'all crappie fishermen, what does that mean? I don't know. Got a yellow tinge to him. They got the jaundice. Probably freezing to death. That's probably what's the matter. Probably freezing to death. Water temps ain't that bad. That's what's interesting. We're at, well, it's 46 in here. It could be worse. They'll still eat. It's not ideal, but that bite there, that little, very reluctant. They ain't slamming it. That's kind of probably typical crappie fishing, but I like it when they slam them things. Ah, got him, got him, got him, got him. He tried to sneak back. He tried to sneak back and eat that other minnow, and I popped him. I made a move, guys. I made a run up here to some calmer water. And what looks like a better fish. Or at least some better fish. I don't know if he might have not got the first minute to begin with. Heck yeah. Yeah, I got out of the wind. Sun's setting. I ain't got much daylight left. But there he is. There's my fish. Got one. Got one. Nice. Little thumbnail picture. Woo! Anyway, I'm being stupid. Got one, got another one. We'll see if I can get some more of these puppies. Snuck up and got him. That's feeling perchy. But he feels heavy. Perchy. I'm saying perchy. No, crappie. Sorry for insulting you there, little feller. Sorry for the insult. You are a crappie. Or crappie. Some of my buddies are going to be mad at me for saying crappie, because we call them crappie here in the South. Crappie, whatever. Speckled perch if we're in Florida. I don't know how many I'm going to get before sun goes down, but it's at least out of the wind. I'm going to see what the wind looks like tomorrow. I need some more is what it comes down to. I need some more bait, but it is what it is. We're going to catch what we're going to catch. I'm probably going to try to get out here tomorrow. Hopefully the wind lays down, and this will be a little more fishable. It's a lot more fun fishing when you can do what you want to. First world problem, though. I admit that. You know, the only complaint I got is it's windy and I can't fish where I want to exactly. That's a pretty good problem to have. So I'm about the only person out here. I'm actually in front of the boat ramp, and nobody's here, man. Nobody's out on the lake. I think I seen one other bass boat earlier today, but not exactly. If you had a day off, or if you didn't have a day off, this was not the day to take a day off to come fishing. So I think there'll be better stuff ahead. But we got a cold front coming this weekend, so we'll see. Blessed to be out here. Give it a second. Oh, got some fish on the sonar. That could be one. This has got the braided line, so I can really feel it with this one. But got him. Got him. That would be a crappie also. Wow. Almost like I'm good at this. And I'm not. That's just it. I am not good at this. I'm just happy to be catching some. We're getting lucky, sticking a few, and watching the sun go down. Blessed to be out here. Before I call it a day, one more bite. Just one more. That's all we need. Oh, that rod's getting ready to pop over there. It looked like it had a little jerky. Little herky-jerky, poppy. Come on, baby. Eat. I'm the only person out here. There was the construction barges earlier that went by. I don't see a single truck at the ramp. I'm just looking over there. It's crazy. There's some stuff out here. I'm seeing more arches here where I'm at. I'm at the mouth of a creek, small creek that is, but I'm in the river channel. It's right where it dumps into the channel. So, and there is stuff here. It is sitting right on the bottom, and that's where every one of these fish have come. Kind of like what we had down the lake earlier in the wind. I tried some shallow stuff. Nothing working. Like I said, there could be fish right up on the bank. Who knows? I'm not seeing anything. I seen the fish pop on top of the water over there a minute ago. It was in deeper water. Oh, I may hear a boat. I may actually have a boat coming. Yep, there's a bass boat. One other fisherman. Oh, missed a fish. It's bad luck. Yeah, there's some fish down there. We got some fish down there. See if they eat. There's one more crazy one. Well, ain't that crazy. He got both my baits. Come on, give us one more before we go. One more. Come on, baby. Come on, come on. One bite, one bite, one bite. One bite. That one's set on bottom. Is he? Ah, they get me. I'm gonna put these rods next to each other. Don't need to be jumping back and forth between them. It's got 2 baits left. That's good. This may be where I come tomorrow. Not there. I need to put a band-aid on that. It's cut good enough that it ain't wanting to work with some pressure. God, there's a bunch of them down there now. Let me actually turn the motor off and sit here. I have no wind whatsoever. But sometimes they want the bait moving. Sometimes you can park on top of crappie or perch and they'll hit it. But man, sometimes they need that thing moving or they're not going to hit it. Then again, sometimes it freaks them out. So I'm just sitting here. I'm just kind of dead sticking it right here. Got a little bit of wind. Boom, got him. Got him. Oh, I've got one of my videos going in the background. Let's see what that, ooh, deuces. This is a, oh, yep, look at that, dude. Maybe that's the ticket. 2 at a time, baby. We'll do that all day long. Well, for a little while anyway. Boom. There's a good one. Is he gonna make it? We'll let him go. I'll try to punch them down into the water so that they go down. When you pull them out of this little deeper water, how long is he gonna make? Yep, he'll make it. There we go. I'm back down there. Heck yeah. Yeah, a lot of times you hook one of these fish in deeper water and they have a hard time going down. That's why I try to nose plant them into the water. That'll help. That'll help. Just so where I can see it move. I'm telling you guys, I don't know if these fish will be here tomorrow or not, but I got some on the screen. They're here right now. I'm trying to see if I've got current. There may be a little bit of current here, and that may help with some of the bite. There's 3 of them there. 2 of them legal. I let that one go. That one was close. I'm not going to deal with close. See what we got. Nice little tank of them here. Yes, sir. Nice little tank full. No complaints on that. Man, my finger keeps bleeding. I have to take a band-aid out of my first aid kit. One good thing about it is getting flushed out, that's for sure. Still on them. There's still fish down there. Put some pressure on it to get it to stop bleeding, but that ain't working. Man. Come on, fishies. Give us one more. Oh, he heard me. I got him. Boom, another keeper. All right, I'm calling it a day with that one, unless this rod goes off. While I'm saying goodbye, if it goes off, we're staying for another one. Another one. They're not giants, but happy to have them. Double check Mel. Yeah, he's way over. Got a good little mess of them here. Plop him in there. Good day fishing. Turned out, but it ended up better than it started. I mean, I put several in the boat right here, and I'm leaving some on the bottom, so we may come back and get them tomorrow.